Hello guys, this is Neha Chaudhary, student of Fluenta Institute. I want to express my experience and gratitude also to Fluenta Institute. I know that words are not enough to express my gratitude, but still I want to try. Once upon a time, I was watching a video of Dipak sir on YouTube. I was very impressed by his knowledge and the way of teaching. Then I went to his playlist. I saw many knowledgeable videos. Then I subscribed his channel. After some days, Dipak sir uploaded a video. Dipak sir wanted to give a free course to those poor children who could not read by paying money. Then from there, I contacted to Dipak sir and took classes a month. Really, Dipak sir, I liked very much. Nice to read by you. So I want to say something about the Institute of Dipak sir. I would like to give you all a consultation that if you want to speak in English fluently, then you should join Fluenta Institute, because Fluenta Institute is best institute. Dipak sir's way of teaching is very unique and easily understandable. He is a great person and English trainer. When I joined Fluenta Institute, I did have not such a sense of English, but now I can speak in English fluently. As you can see, I can make stories, make sentences because of Dipak sir. All credit goes to Dipak sir. Yes, maybe it was impossible for me at first, but now it is a piece of cake for me. I have seen a lot of changes after joining Fluenta Institute. We will always wish that you get everything what you want and keep moving forward like this.